Your customer's universe of music is just one tap away with the Wiim Amp. Stay tuned to learn all about it in this product spotlight. Hey everyone, I'm Rudy and welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel. Your place for product spotlights, the Orange Couch Crush series, recorded webinars from manufacturers, and our newest offering, the Eat, Sleep, Install, Repeat podcast, where we sit down with industry leaders and take a deeper look at what makes their product and them tick. Be sure to check out our full lineup, subscribe, and give us a like. Wiim is one of Davis's newest lines. We are thrilled to add them to our extensive lineup of products, and we hope you share our excitement. Today we'll be covering the Wiim Amp, a small but mighty amplifier that can stream music or enhance TV sound or even do both. The Wiim Amp is beautifully designed from the inside out. With a sleek aluminum chassis and two color options, they will fit into any customer's home decor. But inside is where the magic really happens. Premium components and innovative circuitry ensures robust, crystal clear amplification. The custom designed heatsink provides optimal thermal performance, but don't let the small size fool you. It's capable of 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 120 watts per channel at 4 ohms. That power can transform your customer's passive floor standing, architectural, outdoor, or bookshelf speakers into smart audio powerhouses. Now comes the real fun part, streaming. The Wiim Home app meets all your customers' streaming needs in one place. It provides a single interface for music apps like Spotify, iHeartRadio, Tidal, Amazon Music, and many others, all at your fingertips. Like I said at the beginning, they are just one tap away. Next up, let's talk about inputs and outputs. Optical, line-in, and HDMI ARC inputs mean a wide variety of other products can be used with the Wiim Amp. If your customer has a turntable or external music player, they can be easily added to it. The HDMI ARC input allows your customer's TV sound to play through the amplifier. It also features a USB input so your customer's complete music library can be streamed from a hard drive. The Wiim Amp not only indexes the music, but also serves as an always-on media server, allowing the music to be streamed throughout the house. Outputs are banana plugs for speakers and a sub-out for adding a subwoofer into the system. Before we wrap up, I want to talk about the included remote control. For customers who want a simple remote, Wiim has done an amazing job. There is built-in voice control and buttons for play, pause, skipping track, and volume control. There's also 4 smart preset buttons allowing them to set up scenes for different circumstances. We are happy to welcome Wiim to the Davis product family, and we hope you will be happy to include them in your next install. The Wiim Amp is currently in stock at Davis and retails for $299. Are you an end user looking to get your hands on a Wiim Amp? As always, Davis recommends reaching out to your local home AV shop. They can save you both time and money. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log in to davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. I will see you guys next time.